set up clinics to increase their capacity to vaccinate the masses. Fox 61's Matt Caron continues our coverage.
Well, the convention center has quickly become a central hub of the COVID battle here in Connecticut. It was recently transformed into a COVID testing site. Then a field hospital was established, and now, today, a vaccine clinic has opened.
The fatigue and the exhaustion is certainly there, and this gives a little hope that there's an end in sight.
A testing site, a field hospital, and now a vaccine clinic. The Connecticut Convention Center is playing a vital role in the COVID battle.
Starting today, we have 2 vaccinators, but we'll expand to 4 as soon as we kind of get our feet under us a little bit today. And so we'll be doing about 2,200 vaccines a week here.
Appointments are required, and you need to show ID. Right now, the state is still in phase 1A, vaccinating frontline healthcare workers only. And there's good news, more vaccine doses than originally thought.
We're actually getting, an extra dose out of some of the vials, which is actually helpful, gives us a little bit more capacity to meet and use it.
Meanwhile, the next vaccine to become available may be AstraZeneca. Unlike Pfizer and Moderna's mRNA technology, this vaccine uses a genetically modified virus that typically infects chimpanzees. The virus mimics COVID's spike protein.
And it's what we call attenuated. So this is a weakened virus that should not make people sick.
And at just $5 a dose, AstraZeneca's vaccine is much more affordable.
And it's also really critical when we're thinking about rolling it out to many of the poor countries.
But with news about a new, more contagious strain of COVID circulating in the UK, will the vaccines hold up?
Viruses mutate all the time, and certainly it causes concern if it's increasingly contagious. But there's been no indications that the vaccines are not effective against this strain as well.
There's another variant which has another strain in South Africa that has similar types of mutations.
And back here in Hartford, they continue to see an increased demand for COVID testing. Hartford HealthCare telling me that they're seeing about 3,000 people every day looking to get tested at their drive-up sites. And even though the demand is increased, they are able to meet capacity. Reporting in Hartford, outside the Connecticut Convention Center, Matt Caron.